This drinking yogurt is almost as thick as a Greek yogurt. And in yogurt business, it means yield, and in every yield, there is a profit. Watch me process this drinking yogurt with failure-proof recipe for business using a simple production method that involves temperature regulations, natural preservation with a non-milk heating process. And I tell you, you will like it. In Salpe's Kitchen, we bring you food problem-solving recipes. Lucrative commercial food product for business will enhance your understanding of the already existing food preparation method. All this from the creative mind point of view. So, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing, and keep liking. Now, begin by heating up your water up to a boiling point. While the water is cooking, let me quickly introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. Now, for the sake of this video, I will be using Dano full cream milk powder, but feel free to use whole milk or filled cream milk, either in liquid or in a powdered form. Now, the next ingredient is sugar. I'll be using a little sugar from this sachet. Next is our bacterial starter culture containing Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricum. I'll talk more of that later in this video. Now, after production, you will need to flavor up your yogurt with a flavor of choice. Now, you need a thermometer. Thermometer is actually a necessity in yogurt production, but in case you don't have it, don't worry, I will show you how to go about it. You'll be needing other yogurt production equipment like bowl, cup, whisker, spoons, cling fins, duvet, and incubating containers. You will get to understand their various usages at each point of production even as you watch the video. So having said that, let's kickstart the yogurt production. Firstly, measure 2 cups or 250 grams of milk powder into a container. Good. Now, reconstitute this milk with a cup of water at a room temperature level. Now, by room temperature, I mean not hot and not cold. Yes, just a normal drinking water. Now, with the help of a whisker, dissolve and ensure a lumps-free liquid mixture. Note that it is easier to dissolve your milk with a little water like this than to dissolve with all the water you needed for the yogurt production. And once the lumps are no more found in the milk, then proceed with the addition of 5 more cups of hot water. 4 and 5. Now, in case you are asking the need for addition of hot water at this point, addition of this hot water will help to raise the temperature of the milk to about 80 degrees C. At this temperature, the inherent enzymes in the milk that will assist the conversion of the milk into yogurt are activated, leaving the milk very hot and foamy. Next, filter the milk in case of any extraneous lump that might still remain in the milk. Caution, your milk temperature at this point must not go above 80 degrees C, otherwise you will denature the protein in the milk, and this can affect the texture and stability of your yogurt. You can always check the temperature of your yogurt using thermometer. Good. The next step is to rapidly cool down this hot milk down to the temperature of about 40 to 45 degrees C. Yes, that's the range. Now you can use an ice cold water or a normal room temperature water to do that. But most important thing is to ensure that your milk is within the recommended range of the temperature, not below 40 degrees C and not above 45 degrees C. Please be careful. Now let's read the temperature together. This is 44.6 degrees C. Now it has come down to 44.5 and now is 44.4. degrees C. So bring it out immediately. That is the temperature we are looking out for. Now, in case you are not using thermometer, at this point the water is just warm. Yes, you can easily dip your clean finger into the milk and count up to 1 minute and not being hot at all. Okay, yes, this is the optimum temperature for the starter culture we'll be using to convert your milk into the yogurt you are looking out for. So speaking about the starter culture, we're going to dissolve the starter culture separately in a little milk before pouring into the rest of the milk. After pouring, stir in the milk for evenly distribution of the starter culture around the milk. Quickly filter your milk into the incubating container as fast as possible so you don't lose the temperature needed for the incubation of your milk into a yogurt. Is that understood? Good. Now, after this step, you are going to seal the milk with your cling fin and cover completely. If you have an incubator or an illuminated oven or a temperature warm regulated environment, you can place the milk in there for 8 hours. Alternatively, you can wrap the milk in a duvet, towel or any heat-proof material. Okay, your aim of doing this is to prevent heat loss from the milk, as this temperature is needed for the fermentation of the milk all through the fermenting time of the milk into the yogurt. Now, in reality, it actually took me more than 8 hours to achieve the desired yogurt texture. In fact, I checked it at 7 hours, it was not ready. I then left it till the next day till I achieved the desired result. Yes, this is it. So I'm explaining this so you don't panic if your yogurt was not formed after 8 hours. Sometimes it could require more time or less depending on your incubating condition. After this stage, transfer the yogurt into a clean bowl. You can mix with your spoon to dissolve more lumps and then cover with a clean fin and transfer into the refrigerator and allow to cool down in order to stop the fermentation process. Now, I refrigerated for more than 4 hours. It's about getting frozen at this point. Now, the beauty of allowing your yogurt to cool down a bit is that it also makes your yogurt to become so thick and so nice. Just take a look at this. This is amazing and I know you love it. Now it is time to add in your sweeteners and your flavor. So I move in with half cup of sugar and a little quantity of banana flavor. Yes, so you can make choice of your flavor, but I prefer banana. You can use pineapple, you can use vanilla, any flavor of your choice. Some also use strawberry. You can also give the yogurt a twist by adding up some colors, depending on what you want. But I actually do not need to do all that because I will be using the yogurt for production of another product, which is puff puff without yeast. I will be leaving the link to the video in the description in case you have not seen it. After packaging, you can pasteurize your yogurt for a longer duration if it is for business. Yes, and to do that, you can check my pasteurization video. The link is at the description below. Yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.